Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to our unboxing.
First, the long cards. So we got a couple long cards. Start with the blue Porsche Carrera 96 with the white wheels.
Ooh, nice color.
Really nice.
Next, Aston Martin Vulcan.
Nice.
Nice color.
And then we got the best one in our opinion, which is the Bucky Riviera. It's got really nice alloy wheels.
Ooh, cool. Acura Integra.
Nice, black. And now we got Chevy Corvette, Grand Sport, Hot Wheels, decals.
Ooh, cool.
And the last long card
Ooh,
is the VW
Volkswagen. Nice.
So now the next one is the Porsche Carrera white one. It's the same as the blue one, but this is not the long card one. Really nice painting.
Oh no, I like it. Dodge van. Nice color. It's my favorite color.
Mint,
Ooh.
mint green. We got the Toyota Drift. Mustang.
Okay. Ford Mustang. Shelby GT 500. Ooh.
Looks really awesome. But we also got the matchboxes, and here we have the Bugatti Divo. Oh, awesome. I think it's not plastic. Oh, it's a Diecast. Looks really nice. What's next then? Another matchbox.
G-Class.
Instead of G-Class. Is it AMG? Yeah.
Oh, cool.
No, it's not AMG. It's just a G-Wagon 550. This is a nice matte paint. We have another Matchbox again. This is the Porsche 914 71. White with the black top and red bottom, as well as red alloy wheels. So what's next then?
I think custom Ford Mustang GT.
Another Mustang. We already got one.
Oh, nice.
It's a Hot Wheels. So the next one is the Lamborghini Centario Roadster, the Spider. If it's a convertible, then it's a Spider. Whoa, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Carbon back bumper. What's next then?
Oh, maybe
Kia.
Stinger.
Nice grey paintwork. And that one, it's a national parks, the Dodge Cornet police car.
Ooh.
It's really nice. This is the first one I've seen from Matchbox. This is really beautiful. And this is also my favorite one, the Polaris Slingshot. It's from the Matchbox, the older one, because the new Matchbox, they did change the cards. This is the old card and this is the new card. Freewheeler.
Camaro 69. Nice.
Convertible.
Gold wheels. Cool. What next?
And now is the Audi R8 Spider, the Roadster convertible, 2019. Oh, really nice. I like that color. Take that one.
Okay. Dodge Charger. Great color. Oh.
Pink unusual. So here is the Nissan 350Z. white with the slightly goldish wheels.
Mm-hmm. 64 Corvette Stingray.
Red.
Red, another red. Cool.
And now we got TR6 Triumph, Roadster, really heavy, no front windscreen.
Nice color. What do we have? Chevy. Woohoo. 52 Chevy. Nice car.
We only got three more.
Cool. Nice.
It's like a rust look.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have Chow Mobile van, fresh treats, daily, new Mexican. So it's like a food van, food truck. Ah,
Oh.
but it's, I think, plastic. The body is plastic, but it's got some food on the other side. And it's got a sunroof or the panoramic roof.
HOTWHEELs for transit. Connect.
Custom.
Custom. Mm-hmm.
Is it custom? Yeah.
Mm. Nice. Oh, it's plastic. Cool.
And the last one we got is a Matchbox Jaguar XK 140 Roadster. In light blue metallic.
Nice.
So that's it, guys, in this video. If you like this video, please leave the thumb up and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.